Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to browse the internet on the iPhone 5. Now in order to do this you are going to either need a Wi-Fi connection or some form of data connection. Now once you have a connection in place, let's tap on the Safari icon. Now I've not browsed the internet on this device yet, so it will come up with a blank screen. However, if you've been browsing a website before, then you will have the previous website load up again. However, we're going to start with a clean slate. Now I do have some options. I can tap the book on the bottom and view the bookmarks. Now there will be some pre-installed bookmarks. We've got Apple's website, Yahoo, Google, Bing, Planet 3 and a built-in iPhone user guide as well. Let's tap done because we don't really want to do that. Now I do have options to also create new windows. You know, on the internet browsers on the desktop version you can have tabs. Well, you can have tabs on the iPhone 5 as well, just by tapping new page, which essentially creates a new tab, and you can also delete tabs as well. Now I want to go to mobilehowto.co.uk, so I'm going to tap the URL bar at the top. The URL is the one on the left, the one on the right is a Google search, so if I wanted to Google search mobile how to, I could. However, I know the address, so I'm going to type in mobilehowto.co.uk. So mobilehowto.co.uk. Now that's typed in, I'm going to tap go in the bottom right hand corner, and it's going to use the internet connection to load up the website. Mobile How To has now loaded up. Now this is obviously a little bit small to read, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to get our fingers, put it in the center of the screen and pinch out. That zooms in. Now zoom in to a suitable amount so you can read it, and to navigate the page, obviously you'd need to read content that isn't on the screen. So to navigate the page, just use your finger to drag around. If you find that you've zoomed in too much and would like to zoom out, do the same, however in the opposite. Start with your fingers spread apart and pinch in. And then once you've found that perfect size, you can continue to navigate using one finger. You can also just tap on links and use your finger as a mouse. So if I wanted to tap on one of the links on the top of the page, say I'm interested in frequently asked questions, I'm just going to tap frequently asked questions and the page loads. Now as you can see, it has gone back to a smaller text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again pinch in to a suitable size. Now if I want to go back, I do have a very simple option on the bottom left of the screen. By tapping that back arrow, it will take me to the previous page. Another option is also loaded up, and it's this button in the center, and as we tap it I have options to share this web page. For example, if I found a piece of information that my friend has been looking for, I could email him this page, send him this website via a text message, I could tweet it to him, send it him via Facebook, add it to home screen so it looks like an application, and when you tap the icon it will load this web page directly. I can print it using wireless printing, I can copy, I can bookmark this web page, and I can add it to a reading list. Now a reading list is sort of a to-do list but to read list, so it will remind you to read it later. I don't want to do any of that, so I'm going to tap cancel. Now if I wanted to perform a Google search, I could just tap the bar on the top right corner and search exactly what I want to. Now obviously I don't have the URL for this, so I'm just going to type in Samsung Galaxy S3. As you can see, a few options have loaded. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm just going to tap it and I get a few pages surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S3. Now just as I said earlier, if I wanted to load up a certain link, click a link or load a web page, use your finger as a mouse. I want to load up T3, I'm going to tap the link that I want. That is how you browse the internet on the iPhone 5.